Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the LC questions. The first question: what is the difference between the concept of poverty and human poverty? The poverty refers to the inability to fulfill the basic minimum need for the substance of life such as food, clothing and shelter. Whereas human poverty, the broader concept take forward the concept of poverty to include such aspects as the ability of the education, healthcare, freedom from caste, gender and inequality, etc. Next question: what is the exact average calorie required in India per person per day in rural areas and urban areas respectively? The accept average calorie required in India per person per day in rural areas is 2400 calories per person and in urban areas is 2100 calories per person per day. Next question: when Pradhan Mantri Gram Uday Yojana launched? The Pradhan Mantri Gram Uday Yojana launched in the year 2000. Next question: which organization in India carry out survey for determining the poverty line? National Sample Survey of Organization means NSSO is the organization in India carry out survey for determining the poverty line. Next question: which two states of India continue to be the poorest states? Odisha and Bihar are the two states of India who continue to be the poorest state of India. Next, what is the view of social scientists about the poverty? According to the social scientific, poverty as seen by the income and level of consumption are usual indicator of poverty, but many social scientists view poverty from many other parameters like literacy, lack of general resistance due to the malnutrition, lack of access to safe drinking water and sanitization, etc. Next question: why is calorie requirement higher in rural area than in urban areas? Because calorie requirement higher in rural areas than in urban area because they do more physical work and main occupation of the people in rural areas farming which require more physical activities. Next question: despite the less calorie requirement, urban area have the higher poverty line. Why? Despite the less calorie requirement, urban area have a higher poverty line because of the higher price of the product in urban center. The price of many product is much higher than that of the rural areas, and for this reason, the urban area have the higher poverty line. All the basic necessity and much more expensive than in rural areas, and living in urban area require a lot of money. Next, what is vulnerability? The vulnerability, the chance of some communities or the persons to come poor and remain poor in future. It is the measure which describe the greatest probability of the certain communities or individual such as widow or physically handicapped person of remaining the poor in the coming year. Next, what is do you find difference between national poverty estimate and global poverty estimate? National poverty estimate of poverty all over the nation or country, or global poverty estimate of the poverty all over the world. Basic need can be certified different at different times and in different countries. Therefore, the poverty line may be vary with the time place. Every country practice a imaginary line that is recognized as a appropriate.